Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take backup WIX website. So let's go to WIX first. Go to WIX dashboard and scroll down. You'll find here CMS. Click on CMS. After click on CMS, you'll find here more actions. Click on more actions and you'll find here backups. Just click on this backups option. And then you can see here's no backup yet. Once you have backup, you'll see them here. Now you have to create a backup. Click on create a backup, the blue option. Now you can see that your backup has been created. If you want to restore this, click on restore. Your backup will be restored. Okay guys, so this is how you can backup a WIX website. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.